What is the most successful hip replacement? I will divide the question into two. One is surgery and one is the implant. The most successful hip replacement is when surgery is done perfectly and position of the implant is in accordance with the anatomy. That is, anatomical implant is placed, the longevity implant is very good. The successful implant is the implant which fixes to the bone very well and the implant which doesn't have too much friction, like the ball and the socket joint is there should not be any friction. And at present, the ceramic on ceramic and ceramic on poly, these are two types of implants which are very successful because of low friction. So in my opinion, uncemented ceramic on ceramic and uncemented ceramic on poly with surgery done anatomically is the most successful hip replacement. Thank you.